What's up, y'all? Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed day. Hope y'all getting out in nature. Hope y'all sun gazing. Today, I'm gonna talk about an abundance mindset versus a scarcity mindset and why you should change your scarcity mindset. Because most likely you do. Most people, it's not a bad thing. It's alright, subconscious beliefs, all that. And most people got a scarcity mindset, so it's alright if you got one. I know I had a scarcity mindset, but I'm gonna show y'all how to change your mindset from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. So first, let's start off what an abundance mindset really means. All right, so an abundance mindset is you always have a faith, or you always know that you got more of something even if you lost something. So let's say you got like $50 in your bank account. You're like, damn, I got $50 in my bank account. I'm down and out, right? Instead of having that scarcity mindset and being like, oh, I'm broke, I'm poor, I'm never gonna get the money back. Instead of having that scarcity mindset, have an abundance mindset. I'm gonna be like, a similar thing happened to me, except it was worse, bro. I had like $80, I was $80 in the hole with my bank account, right? So I was mad as hell because what happened was I had like $5 in my bank account and I was like, all right, I'm finna give me some snacks. So I had like $2, right? And then the motherfucking bank had their little $5 monthly fee. So they had a $5 monthly fee, had like 2 negative in my account, and then it was an overdraft charge, right? So it was like 32 negative in my account. And then my motherfucking Xbox Live account came in, my Xbox Live subscription came in, and it was like $15 negative, and then another overcharge fee. So that shit was like $75. And then motherfucking Apple Music came in. Like everything came in on the same motherfucking week, bro. It was crazy. Yeah, everything came in basically on the same day. Like say all these fees came in on a Friday, right? So I had a scarcity mindset about it. I was like, damn, that shit sucks. But even at that time, I realized that my beliefs create my reality. Your beliefs create your reality. My beliefs create my reality. You feel what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? Instead of having a scarcity mindset about it, I'm going to have an abundance mindset about it. And I'm going to think about ways that I can get it back. And you don't even, sometimes, bro, you don't even got to think about ways to get it back. You just got to have that abundance mindset, that overflow of abundance mindset. You can get that shit. Because let me tell you, so like how I said, say all this shit happened on Friday. Saturday, 250 check for my job, right? I didn't even work that many hours, bro. I don't know. They might have been tweaking or something, because I'm pretty sure I worked like 10 hours that week. But got a 250 check for my job and 3 sales for my Grail account. Let me tell you, even if you got a popping Grail account, 3 sales in a day, that don't happen. All right, that don't happen. And I contribute this all towards my faith in infinite intelligence and my faith in, God, whatever you want to call it. We really don't got a label for it, a name for it. It's a whole nother video, but I'm talking about the glue that holds this reality together, basically. Now, a nigga with a scarcity mindset will look at that story and be like, oh, man, that's because you was working hours from your job. That's because you had your Grill account set up. That's because all these reasons, all these excuses. You feel? It's okay to recognize the situation, but it's not okay to have a scarcity mindset about it and think that you can never go beyond what level you're currently at. You gotta have an abundance mindset. So back to that $50 example. You got $50 in your bank account. Think, all right, I got $50 in my bank account. That's okay. I won't spend that much money, all that, you know what I'm saying? Don't go crazy, obviously. But you gotta think, okay, you know what? There's ways to make more than $50. There's ways to make more than $50. I can think of ways to make more than $50 because I got an abundance mindset, and I know that my worth isn't goddamn $50. You feel me? And then as soon as you think that, your mind, your infinite intelligence is gonna help you out and is gonna show you ways to make more than what you currently at. Now, a scarcity mindset is dangerous. It's not just something you shouldn't have. It's dangerous to your life, bro. Because think about it. If you have a scarcity mindset, you always think you losing something, or you always got excuses for something. You feel what I'm saying? So like, say you working a job that pay you like shit, pay like $7 an hour, you know, you working like 10, 12 hours, 20 hours a week, whatever, something like that. But let's just say you ain't making no money from that job. Instead of leaving that job because you have an abundance mindset and you know that you can get something better than that, okay? Instead of leaving that job, you're gonna stare at that job because you got a scarcity mindset. And you think, oh, I can never have something better than that. I can never see what a man with a scarcity mindset usually says is, I can never have something better. I can never have something better. You can't think I can never have something better. You gotta always think I can always get something better. All right. So like, say you working a job that pay you like shit, pay like $7 an hour. You working like 10, 12 hours, 20 hours a week, whatever, something like that. But let's just say you ain't making no money from that job. Instead of leaving that job because you have an abundance mindset and you know that you can get something better than that. Okay. And this goes with like everything in life. It goes with relationships, it goes with money, it goes with, it goes with everything in life. It goes with houses, cars, like everything. All right. Like, for example, for a relationship, say you with the first dude or you with the first girl that you meet because you think you can't get anything better, and that person treats you like garbage, that person treats you like shit, you're not attracted to that person, you won't leave or anything like that because you think, oh, he got money, she give me pussy anytime I want it. You know what I'm saying? That's that scarcity mindset. All you bugs are fucking me up. But that's that scarcity mindset that you gotta watch out for, alright? And it's natural to have a scarcity mindset. When you're born into this world, when you're born into this matrix, into this illusion, you're gonna naturally have a scarcity mindset because these motherfuckers want you to have a scarcity mindset. That's another video though. The practices that I do and that you can do to develop an abundance mindset is just look around, bro. Just look around your life. Just look around your life. Write down 20 things. Write down 20 things that you are abundant for and that you are thankful for. My nigga, if you have a ceiling fan, I think about this all the time. If you have a ceiling fan, you are abundant. You can do anything in life. If you got a ceiling fan, you can do anything in life. Because think about it. How many niggas do not have a ceiling fan? How many people do not have a ceiling fan? Really think about that shit. Most people don't have a ceiling fan, all right? Most people don't got a ceiling fan. Niggas in Africa, there's niggas in India, there's niggas all around the world who don't got a ceiling fan. A ceiling fan, to me, represents opportunity. A ceiling fan represents that you can do more in life because you got that base, you know what I'm saying? So I don't give a fuck what you been through, bro, because I've been through some shit, you been through some shit, we all been through some shit. In the world, they don't care about that. Don't think about what you've been through. Don't think about what you can't do. Think about what you can do. So that's why I say, you got a ceiling fan, that's opportunity. Well, first off, money is just a monetary value of how much you putting into the world and how much value you can actually give to others. All right. That's why the richest people in the world, the reason why they're rich is not because, they had this idea. Yeah, it's because of that, but it's also because how much they give to others. You gotta think about, Jeff Bezos, Amazon. He's got millions of employees, and he gives value to other people. You feel what I'm saying? Google gives value to other people. So if you want to make money, period, you gotta find out a way to give value to other people. That's why 9-to-5 jobs and shit like that don't pay that much money, because you're not really giving people that much of value. So if you want to be rich, you got to think of yourself rich right now, in the moment. Tell yourself every day that you're abundant. Think about all the things you're abundant about, because really, you are abundant. If you're watching this, if you have a phone, if you got a ceiling fan, if you got a motherfucking shower, if you got a house, if you got a crib, if you got a room, I don't care how big it is, I don't care how shitty it is, whatever, you got those things, you can lay your head at night, you can rest, all that, you got food in the fridge. You're abundant. That's abundant. You know what I'm saying? That's abundant. You gotta think about how many people don't got that. All right. If you got that, you are an abundant person. So take away that scarcity mindset. Okay. And it's like this. It's all a mindset, right? So you could be a millionaire and you can have a scarcity mindset. Okay, the man who has a scarcity mindset and is a millionaire, his millions is gonna go down, 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 down. But the man who has $0, but he has an abundance mindset, his $0 are gonna go from $200 to $500 to $600, and eventually he gonna be richer than a goddamn millionaire, because it's all about the mindset. Okay, it's not about what you see and what you touch. Let's be real right now. All right, it's a spiritual world before it is a physical world, so you got to understand that too. We're gonna have a whole video about that, don't worry. All right, that's it for today's video. Hope y'all got some knowledge from it. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Follow my Instagram, follow my Snapchat, all that. Like, subscribe, all that shit. I do free consultations on Instagram. So just shoot me a DM. We'll set something up. All right, see y'all later. Get out in the nature, sun gaze, all that shit. Peace out.